Hi, welcome back to our order form series part 3, Base Design. In this video, we'll continue with a real custom order and show you how to fill the base design section on our order form accurately so your clients get exactly what they want. You can easily pick these materials from our base material ring. This order's base is made of 3 parts, 1 inch of fine welded mono at the front, durable and breathable. 1 inch PU coating around the perimeter, skin with gauze, perfect for adhesives and adding extra security for a longer toupee lifespan. Fine mono in the center, balancing comfort with breathability. Next, on the order form, simply draw and label. Front, 1 inch fine welded mono sides and back perimeter, 1 inch PU coating center, fine mono. And that's it. This ensures your custom orders are clear, accurate, and ready for production. And if you're ready to start placing orders for your clients, contact your Bono Hair sales manager today.